ADVM3, Additive Manufacturing and Emerging Technology classes.
Okay, the next course I'd like to talk about is ADVM 3D, designed for additive manufacturing. Additive manufacturing, the layperson calls as 3D printing, actually has several different technologies that we cover in the class. But what the students are using in this class is the machine on the right, which is a FDM or fused deposition modeling machine. You develop the models, learn how to design things in plastic with plastic principles, and you also learn maintenance and tear down of the machine. This isn't a class where you're just downloading things off the internet and printing them. You're learning proper design principles in order to apply it using this technology. The machines on the left are stereolithography machines. They use a resin with a UV laser that hardens the material. The modality of this class is in person. You have to take ADVM 2A first, so that's a key prerequisite course. You really should try to take that class in your first semester so that you have options to take anything that uses as a prerequisite. It's co-enrollments permitted, so if you take ADVM 2A in the first 8 weeks of the term, the system will allow you to register for ADVM 3D in the second half before you've completed it. Another note is ADVM 3D is a core requirement for the mechatronics program as well. We have a suggested morning schedule if you're trying to take this 2A and 3D in the same semester. And this class starts at 9 a.m. and it's paired with a ADVM 3D class that's on the same days of the week with the same start time. So it's sections 84175 and 81799. If you're going to take it on an evening schedule, this is the second section that starts at 5:45 p.m. It's on the same evenings as the 3D class in the second 8 weeks. So you'll want to take CRN 84321 and 82740. Okay, let's look at some examples of product that are made in ADVM 3D. Here's some examples of past work. On the left, we have an Excel machine. It has multiple heads, so you can do multiple colors in the same print. Up in the top left, we have a Range Rover that a student did. Now, this wasn't made all as one piece. It was a kit of separate parts, but it was pretty sophisticated. The smallest picture on the screen is a cosplay part. I don't know offhand what character it's for. And then we have in the middle some coffee cup holder type designs and concepts. And on the right, we have a mechatronics student that did a motor housing in the class, prototype motor housing. In the bottom right-hand corner, we have a couple jewelry boxes done in different colors.
Apply now at sierracollege.edu. And to check out the latest things in our program, follow us on social media